my cloth bag to make it more nice. The materials required are permanent markers, beads, and a flower decoration and paint. And this is the heart of the Mother Earth. And one of this is in the 2 R's. Reduce and reuse. We have to reuse this cloth bag every time for shopping so that the earth will be happy. Thank you. And let us say no to plastic.